case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1980, a shocking accident occurred at a manufacturing company when an explosion caused by magnesium stearate dust tragically killed 6 employees. The company, Warner-Lambert Co, and its officers were brought to court on charges of manslaughter and criminally negligent homicide. The case went to an appeal in the New York Court of Appeals, where they had to determine whether there was legally sufficient evidence presented before the grand jury. The court focused on whether the company's actions were foreseeable and whether those actions directly caused the accident. Despite the extensive evidence presented, the court ruled in favor of the defendants. They concluded that the company and its officers were not criminally liable for the employees' deaths, as the explosion's immediate cause was not foreseeable, and there was a lack of evidence linking the defendants' actions to the deaths. Ultimately, the indictment against Warner-Lambert Co and its officers was dismissed due to insufficient evidence for criminal liability. The court emphasized the importance of establishing causation and foreseeability between the defendants' actions and the harm that occurred in order to impose criminal liability.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.